What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So based on the title, you know exactly what your girl will be making. But today's recipe was a request from one of my subscriber, Dario Emmas. I will link her name on screen and I hope I pronounced it properly. But before we jump into this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my future uploads. So let's get cooking, guys. So here I have some chicken thighs that has been washed and cleaned thoroughly. Now I'm just going to go in with a bunch of seasoning. Here I have some garlic powder. I know, guys, you could use any all-purpose blend of choice. Any of your favorite seasoning that you like and want to add it to your stewed chicken, you could go ahead and do so. I have some ground ginger. And also, guys, if you have fresh ginger, you could just go ahead and use that as well. Some paprika. Some onion powder. Here I have a table blend of all my other spices. I love this mix, guys. You could use any other table blends that you have. And of course, I'm going to go with my Maggie chicken seasoning. You could get this in any Caribbean store, or you could go online and just look for some Maggie seasoning. And I have my all-purpose Maggie seasoning as well. Now I'm going to go in with some soy sauce. Now, guys, the Maggie seasoning that I used earlier has salt in it. The soy sauce has high sodium, so I will not be using any salt in this. And of course, for that lovely stewed chicken color, a good old browning. Or guys, you could use any other substitute you have. You have burnt sugar or any other browning substitute that gives you this color and flavor. You could go ahead and use it. We're just going to massage this for about a minute or two and allow this to marinate. Now, guys, if you have the time, you could prep this from overnight and leave it and allow all those flavors to go into the chicken. But if you don't have that much time, you could just leave it out for an hour or two and just allow it to do its thing. While my chicken is marinating, I went ahead and cut my veggies up. Some carrot, tomatoes, onion, some thyme, some scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, red and green bell pepper. I'm not going to use the entire scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to use a piece. So to my pot, I'm just going to add some coconut oil. Now you could use any oil of choice. You could use olive oil or just regular vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add my chicken to the pan and allow it to get some color. I'm just going to move this around a bit and allow it to cook on all sides. Now we're going to cover this a bit. Now guys, you don't want to add any water here. The chicken is going to make its own water. You could add a little bit further on, but at this point you don't really need to add any. Look at all those juices that the chicken gave off. I'm just going to give it a mix, you know, turn it on all sides and allow everybody to get an even bath in that juice. And now I'm going to go in with my veggies. Now guys, you could add any other veggies that you want. If you have green beans, you could go ahead and add them. If you like Irish potatoes, you could go ahead and add them. I personally don't like Irish potatoes in my stewed chicken, but if you do, you could go ahead and add it. Now we're just going to stir this up and allow it to simmer and cook away. We're going to allow this to cook for about 20 minutes and then come back and check on it. Our chicken has been cooking for about 20 minutes and it looks good so far. And let me tell you guys, the aroma coming from this, it's to die for. It's amazing. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of ketchup to thicken this up. The ketchup is optional. You could make a slurry using cornstarch and water, or you could make a flour slurry to thicken this, but I prefer to use some ketchup. So I'm just going to mix this in and allow this to simmer for under 10 minutes and our stewed chicken should be ready. And guys, I thank you so much for all my subscribers, new and old, and for my new viewers. I do hope you see something and just hit that subscription button and come on over and turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my upload. I'm just going to add some parsley flakes to garnish. This part is so optional. And there you have it, guys. Stewed chicken is ready. Quick, simple, and easy. Now guys, I'm going to show you how I serve this up. I serve this up with some black beans and rice and a side dish of salad. Now guys, if you do like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more amazing recipe, hit that subscription button. Until then, see you in another one.